Abhi Shelly from EC department, and I'm a 2019 passed out. So I wanted to get into IT, but I was unable to move into IT. So one of my seniors suggested me that QSpiders will definitely get me placed. So I joined QSpiders in the month of August, and it's been 3 to 4 months. So before 4 months, I didn't have any clue about Java or any other programming languages. But after 4 months, I got placed in a company called EG Innovations, and I'm a software developer now. So the journey has been amazing, and I have to thank everyone in the QSpiders team, from the counselors, HRs, and the faculties. So they are training a lot of people, and they are getting people placed in IT. So it's a great place to be, to be a part of, and it's been an amazing journey for me. And I personally thank Nandi sir. He's been a great support to me. He taught everything in Java from the scratch. So I thank him. Thank you so much, sir. And I also thank Pricey and Sweta. They are the HRs in QSpiders. So they've been working day and night for getting us placed. So I thank them personally. So thank you so much, QSpiders team, and for all the support. Thank you so much.